Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel Jubin Masfan. Here you see the current affair of entertainment, etc. No tricks, no clickbait, only talk. Please, as you like this one, subscribe my channel, like video, then I motivate and make new one for you. Top 10 most beautiful Arabian women celebrities by Irina John. Like the popular proverb says, beauty is in the eyes of the beholder. The world is filled with many beautiful women who can be seen pictures on the big screen and many other platforms. It's no secret that the Arab world is home to many beautiful women whose beauty and talent can be breathtaking. In this list, we bring you top 10 most beautiful Arabian women celebrities. Number 10, Shirin Ebel Del Noor. Sexiest Arab girl Shirin Ebel Del Noor. A model, singer and actress, Shirin is a 39-year-old woman from Lebanon. She started her modeling career in 1992. Also in the same year, she started acting and starred in various movies in the 2000 years. She modeled for fashion designers such as Zohair Murad and Felicien Rossi. In addition, she was title model of the world in 2002 in Beirut. She is one of the most beautiful Muslim lady. Number 9, Dalida Khalil. Dalida Khalil Beach. This Lebanese born singer and actress come at number 9 in our list of most beautiful Arabian women celebrities. She has starred in more than 14 series since 2007. She is not just a pretty face, but she is a multi-talented woman who achieved success from a young age. She was crowned Miss North and kept this title for 12 consecutive years. Also, she was featured in Dancing with the Stars. Number 8, Karilu Samaha. Karilu Samaha, most beautiful Arabian woman. Karilu Samaha is a Lebanese performer, singer and actress. She has a degree in acting and directing from St. Joseph University. She has released multiple albums that brought her a lot of success and fame. In 2013, she became one of the judges in X Factor. She has also established her own company. Lekarma Samaha is married to an Egyptian man. Their wedding ceremony was held in Limassol, Cyprus. She won many awards including Best Lebanese Female Singer and Best Polyvalent Talent. Number 7, Haifa Wahibi. Haifa Wahibi, most beautiful Arabian woman. Haifa Wahibi is a Lebanese singer and actress. At only the age of 16, Haifa won the title of Miss South Lebanon and a runner-up at Miss Lebanon competition. She was ranked 8th in the survey held by Axemen of top 99 most desirable women. Due to her relevant outfit, she had been called a sexual singer who spoke with her body. Due to her beauty, she appeared on almost 100 magazine cover. Many celebrities attended her wedding with Egyptian businessmen including Kim Kardashian. In 2009, in the Arab world, she is considered to be one of the most successful Lebanese recording artists. She was included in the list of 50 most beautiful people by People magazine. Number 6, Nicola Saba. Nicola Saba, most beautiful Arabian woman, another Lebanese singer and actress. Saba rose to fame as a member of group The Four Cats. She later came out as a solo artist and embarked on a new journey. She had a lot of success as an actress and starred in many movies. Her first movie, The Danish Experience, made it to the top of the box office and was a huge hit. She was awarded Best Singer by a magazine called Saidati. Number 5, Mariam Faras. Mariam Faras, most beautiful Arabian woman known for her luscious curls. Mariam Faras comes at number 5 in our list of most beautiful Arabian women celebrities. She is a Lebanese singer and entertainer. She set the record with Angami for most played artist and most played album. Harris launched to fame when she released her debut album Bet All. She made for her acting debut in 2014. She is married to a Lebanese business after 10 years of dating, and in 2016 she gave birth to her son Waham. She named Jaden. Her wedding took place on the Greek island of Santorini. Number 4. Dora Zurich. Dora Zurich, beautiful Arabian woman celebrity, born in 1980. Dora is a Tunisian actress and model. She rose to fame as model before being an actress. She appeared on the cover of many magazines and was elected the most beautiful Tunisian woman as well as most beautiful Arabian woman celebrity. Dora was also chosen to be the face of the house d'Azur. Number 3. Tara Ahmed. Tara Ahmed, beautiful Arabian woman celebrity, born in 1993. Tara Ahmed is an Egyptian model and actress. In 2010, she participated in Miss Teen Egypt and entered Miss Teen Pregnant and came as the first runner-up. She was titled Miss Africa in the same year. She has been on the cover of 50 magazine and on the cover of Elle magazine 4 times. Number 2. Maya Diab. Maya Diab, beautiful Arabian woman celebrity, is a model, singer, actress and style icon. At 33, Maya Diab has rose to fame since her debut as a member of the girl group The Four Cats. Maya is known as one of the most powerful celebrities in the Middle East. She won multiple awards for her contribution to the beauty industry. She also appeared on several high-profile magazines such as Marie Claire. Number 1. Nancy Ajram. Nancy Ajram, beautiful Arabian woman celebrity. Nancy Ajram is a Lebanese multi-platinum recording artist. She was born in Beirut, Lebanon on May 16, 1983. Not only she is considered to be one of the most beautiful women from the Arab world, she is also extremely successful with a net worth of $16 million. With more than 20 million followers and fans, her Facebook page is the most subscribed Arabic page on social media. Her beauty and talent landed her the role of being the first and only female spokesperson of Coca-Cola. In addition, she was voted as the most beautiful mom in a survey held by Famous magazine. At last, you seen this one, like, then you subscribe the channel and like my video. Thanks.